friends, today I've come back for you with a new video which will not even believe me that I'm gonna show you how do you upgrade your RAM. Okay, so what is the main concept? Think you have a 4, 2, 1 or how much of a GB RAM you have. And you want to upgrade it to 16 GB or 32 GB RAM for free. So what's going to happen in the end? In the end, in the end, your system will run like a computer of 32 or 64 GB RAM. So let's start and try to do. Actually, what happens is in the end, when you after you do that, you have to just restart your PC, and we don't need to install anything or do anything on the Google. We just need to go to settings and do some changes. So at the end, it will not show in the about your PC that it's starting to 64. It will just make a system run like a 64 GB RAM, 32 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, how much of a GB RAM you want it to run. Means what is going to change is that how much storage your computer has. It will run. Okay, so let me show you how to upgrade. It will not show any changes in the about your PC installed RAM, but it will show it in the performance. So what I need to do is it's a much more faster way. So you need to click on this, right? So I'm gonna click on this. Yeah, you see how fast it's become? That's because I have made it like because this has memory usage and virtual memory. Click on advanced. And then after that, click on adjust best performance for program because programs do a virtual memory. So a paging file is an area on the artist that Windows uses as if it was RAM. So what I've done. So if you want 64 GB RAM, you just need to put the click on see first it will be like this. You need to click on this and click on custom size, and then you need to enter this, and actually that's how we do. Click on set and click on OK. Okay, this is the value that you need to put for it, right? Then you need to click on OK. So you need to click on this, change it to this, and click on this set button, OK button, OK, and this here also OK. So you can click on OK. I'm also going to show you how to make the computer look better. So how to make it look good, how to make it fast. So how you do it, how you upgrade your PC, and there's lots of things you can do, and that's how you do it. So see, this is visual effects processor. What happens here is that the paging file is a data on the artist that Windows uses it as if it was RAM. It will use it like a RAM. Okay. So with 64 now, right now it's 64. What will happen is it will make it. The computer will run as so. It will run. The computer will run as fast as it was. If your computer had 64 GB, your computer will feel like, and it will be if you have it will be as fast as 64 GB RAM actually. So if you change this to 64 GB RAM, so it will be as fast as 64 GB RAM. So if you just change this to make a computer run like a 64 GB RAM, and also what it does is that it makes the computer more space should be there. So let me just stop where the commands increase it even more. So I'm gonna make this 66, 64 to 66. Yes, you can do that. And let's see 67. Yeah, so 67. So you cannot mention that much. Yes, you can make 64 and 67. So you can make that. Okay. And now it works even more fast. You just need to restart it, but I don't want to keep on restarting. For morning, I've done 64 GB RAM, 32 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM. You know that? No, 8 GB I didn't try. So let me show you how to do it. How you decide what you want. So just see this. Right? So 1 GB. How much 1 GB RAM equals to? It 1024. Okay, it is equal to this much MB. So this 1 GB RAM is 1024. So this 1024 we will multiply it with how much we want. Means like here we'll put how much RAM you want, and then you will get how much you need to put in the paging virtual memory. So if I want 8, I put 8 GB RAM here. I get 8192. I get this, and then what I do is that I put BM, which is minimum. I can put 8172 or 8182. Then I can put MA, which is maximum, as A as this one, 8192, and then I just need to click on set. After click on set, what do you do? You need to click on OK. Actually there'll be as you saw on all the places it says OK. You have to do till that whole thing closes. Yeah. So that's how we do it. Now I'm going to just show you, if you want 8 GB RAM, how much you need to put. So first, for that, you can even put it like that. So how do you allocate it? Here, like how I showed you, I put 64. The same way, minimum you can put 8192 or 8172, make it a little bit less. 1 or little 10 you put maximum. Yes, and then you can put the maximum as the original value. So that's how you do. So if I'm going to calculate and explain you how much for how much you need to see how fast it is. So for how much GB RAM you need to do. So think you want 6 GB RAM or 5 GB RAM. You need to just do 1024 into 5, and you will get this 5120. So what you need to do is minimum 5110 and then 5120 is the maximum. You can do even 789. That's fine. Nothing will happen. So you can do like that. So if you want 6 GB RAM, which exists, 4, but actually it depends on the driver's size. Okay. Well, actually, I have to check if it says that it's too small to do that. You don't can't do. So 1024, and you need to put into, if you want a 8 GB RAM, you need to do this, and you get 8192. As I explained, you have to put that one. So now let's talk about how much GB RAM. No, 16 GB RAM. So if you want a 16 GB RAM, you need to do this into 16, and this will be how much we put. 16. I've already actually before first time I tried with 8 GB, 16 GB actually. It was pretty fast, but not this fast, right? So you put only one. So 16384. We can put 200 as the minimum and this as the maximum. So now we understood how to do 16. Okay, now let's understand how do you do 32 GB RAM. So I'm gonna click on 1, 2, 3, 4, and into 3, 2. Now I'll click on, and it will work very fast. So you get 3278. What I need to do with 3278 is that Yeah, so this will be the maximum allocated. Okay, so we need to put 3 to 7, 6, 8 into the maximum. Means like there'll be, see, there'll be 1 and 1 up. This 3 to 6 you have to put here. 6 and 8. Where there'll be custom size. Then here you can put 3 to, oh sorry, so you can put here, you can put 3 to 6. So you can put here 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 6, 8, or you can put 3 to 700. That will be good. So that's how we do it. Yeah. So if you want a 120 GB RAM and you put 120 drive, it says that your drive is small for that. So why it says like that? Because your drive is small. But for some computers it doesn't say, depending on the drive, I think so. But some computers can put 120 depending on the drive. So now what we need to do is, if you want one, what else will be there? 1 GB RAM. 1 GB RAM is not fast at all. You know that? Yeah. Let me just think what all GB RAMs are there. So if you want 120, just do this. So 120, just check whether it works, because we have to try the maximum. From 120 can decrease and try. It's very exciting for me. I want to do it. So I'm going to show you that also in this tutorial. So if I put 120, you will get this one. Okay, so it's not actually, for me, actually when I did it didn't work. So now let's again go to do that advanced. Let's do that. Settings, advanced, this. So what I need to do, so let me just newly share something. So this is how you can do. What do we want to do? You have to just multiply. So this is for if you want a 5 GB RAM, this is if you want a 8 GB RAM, this is if you want a 16 GB RAM, and this is if you want a 32 GB RAM, and this is what if you want a 120 GB RAM. Sorry if that time you were still into some problem with Zoom. I was actually something wrong. So now let me understand that. Now let me again show you how to do that, because I think you were not able to see it. So tree, how to update it? Let's see. So you need to click on this, and this is if you want a 64 GB RAM, and this, okay, so if this 512, you can put here a little bit less, so 10 less, so 5110, and your 5120 it will add as so 5 GB, and your 8192, and so you can put 8182 here, and you can put here 8192 if you want for 8 GB RAM, and then if you want a 16, then you need to actually put this as the maximum, and then see here you can put 16384, and here you can put 16374, and then on both you have to put C and G drive. Both drives you have to put on. Now let's talk about the 32 GB RAM. If you want a 32 GB RAM, right, you need to put here 32768, and you put 3 to 550 or 60. Now let's try about 120. For some drives it will work. So what you need to put is that you need to put to the maximum you can put 1280. I don't remember what to try. So let me put 122. No, we will not put 12. We'll put 12088. Right? Here we're going to put 111. it works. Okay, like this usual. Alright, so I'm gonna put water in a tea. So then I use the maximum. I think it's too much for my drive. So I'm gonna put 99000. I don't know why doesn't it work. So let me just put as how much as to put. So now let's again try let's put 900. Yes, here 900. Try to set it. Yes, I could put it. It's very excited for me. It's gonna be a lot and it's gonna be very nice. So I'm gonna put like this for all. It's gonna be at least, I don't know what, but it's nice. It's nice. So now after this, we're gonna restart the computer and okay, I forgot something. You need to click on this. It will be there. So if you will put here 99, okay, and you can put your 99000. Now you can click on set. Okay. Put this out. Okay. Okay. And then what you need to do is that you need to restart the computer. So I'm gonna click on this and click on restart. Alright.